Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Sol Valenciano, is better known as Jordans Valenciano. My friends call me Judens. I'm 25 years old now. From Phase 1 Block 19 Latri, Jordan Street, Grand Riverside Subdivision, Pasong Kamachili 1, General Trias City, Cavite, 4107.
Yeah, so I heard you have a talent with determining the days, even in the past. So, for example, my grandmother was born on December 17, 1913. What day is that?
December
13,
13,
1913.
December
13.
13 or 17?
13.
December 13,
1913.
1913.
What day is that?
1913. That was Saturday.
Oh my god, you got it right. Okay, let's show this one. December 13. Yeah, that is Saturday. Again, another random number. February 9, 1910.
February 9, 1910.
Yeah.
That was Wednesday.
Another right answer. Okay, December 9. It's Wednesday. Right. Correct. Last one. Promise. No random number. Let's go let's go somewhere in the millennium. New millennium.
2001.
2000.
January 5, 2001.
January 5, 2001.
January 5, 2001. That was Friday.
Jeez. Seriously? There's some sorcery happening here. Wait, I can't focus it.
Correct.
Yeah, that's correct. Thanks, Judens.
Thank you.